DDL Nation, yeah, we taking flight. Big vibes, big dreams, yeah, we shine so bright. Tune in, lock in, don't miss the ride.
What's up to the DDL Nation? It's your girl Dina and I'm back with another video. Yes, I am back with another video. In today's video, you guys, it's not gonna be a long video. It's just going to be a video. I'm gonna show you a few of the gadgets, electronic devices that I use to edit. Really? To record, and they are simple. They're not that much expensive. They easy. They within budgets. Cameras are expensive, and you don't have the funds for a camera. I must show you a few little gadgets that I use. You can use to help with your YouTube channel. Like right now, if you see the setup I have right now, you will be surprised of the setup that I have. So the first thing I have this tiny little light. Let me turn it off, turn it on, and set it up on my table. It helps with the lights and stuff. So let me turn that back on. See the difference? And I just set it up on my table. I also have this is a mic. These are little mics. I get this off of the TikTok shop. So I use it and I just connect it to my phone because I use another phone to record. And I'm gonna show you another gadget that I ordered from the TikTok shop. It is very, very, very helpful. It is a game changer. If you're recording on your phone like I am, this tool is very helpful. So I'm using the back camera. I'm gonna take it off so I can show you guys. So I'm using my back camera. You know, sometimes when you use your back camera, you don't know if you're in frame. So I ordered this little gadget off of the TikTok shop. You can see right now. You can see the thing. It's just a screen mirroring. It comes in this little package, and let me put it back. Okay, all right. So this video is not sponsored or anything. It come in a little packet like this. That's the name of it. I don't know if you can see. So what it does, you just put it in the back of your phone. Let me use my other phone to show you guys how it really look. So this is how it looks like. So now I can see if I'm in frame. I can see if my camera is focused. So that way when you record with the back camera, it's like you recording with a real camera that has the little lens thingy for you to see. So it really helps to see if you're in frame. You can see everything that's behind you without, you know, using the front camera. It's like you're using the front camera but using the back camera. And you know, the back camera has more quality. It's better quality. It's clearer, lighter than a front camera. So those are the little gadgets. Even if you don't get the mic, but this, you really need this. It is perfect, you guys. Perfect if you are recording with your phone. So all you do for this one is screen mirroring. You know, the little thing that's on the iPhone. Let me show you. When you slide down your phone, this little thing right, no, this one right there. Once you turn that on, you turn the magnet selfie screen on. You turn on the magnet selfie screen, which is this, on. It has a code on the, it's gonna be on the screen, and then you enter the code, and then you are connected, and you can see yourself. It's good. It's good. I love it. That's one purchase I don't regret buying. I don't regret buying the ring light. Right now I'm only using one big ring light and the tiny little ring light. But for now, just get those three little gadgets. Get you your selfie stick, your microphone, and the screen mirroring. And then the best part about it is you don't even have to keep going through your phone, move and go to your phone and do it. With this little button, you just click, it stop recording, click, it start recording. And then if you don't have somebody to take pictures for you, you can also do that, like your thumbnail. If you don't have a person to take you a picture, same thing. You hold it in your hand, you pose how you want, and then click, you take a picture. So it's easy. Those are just little things that you can buy to also have your channel, have your videos have a different quality, different. People could think you record with a camera because how perfectly in frame you are. I know right now I probably not perfectly in frame, but I love this chair, I love this setup. I'm sitting in front of my computer, and I said, why don't I just do a little video and show you guys little things that you can buy to improve your YouTube channel. Okay, I just now realized while I'm editing the video, I didn't show you guys the most important part about the the little mic. So with the little mic, this is the part that you plug on the phone. It come with an extra. If you have the new iPhone, if you have an Android, this, you just plug this piece. But if you have like the iPhone 14 below, it also come with this little bad boy right here. So it's a 2-in-1. So all you do is, if you have the 14 or the 13 like I have, because that's what I use to record, you just take this little piece that it come with, connect it to this, and then you connect to your phone. You good to go. If you have the 15 and up, or if you have Android, you just take this out and then plug this, and you're good to go. And once you're done, you put this inside this. The only thing they did, they give you the extra, but they don't have room for the extra, so you would have to keep this in the box that this come in, so you don't lose it. So I'm gonna show you guys the box and how you can keep this safe, because this is very useful. So this is the box that it came in. You see it better, all that comes with it. So I keep my box. I don't throw away my box, because we keeping our stuff safe. You put this back inside the box, and then you put this right here, you put your charger in here, and then you push it back in, and now it is safe, secure, ready to go. Okay, and then same thing for the magnet thing. I don't throw away my box, because they come with little stuff, and then, you know, when you put stuff around on your tables, it probably fall. No, so I keep my stuff in the boxes. So once I'm done with the little magnet thing, I put it back. It come like this. So this go right here, and then the charger. See, I haven't used the charger either because I have another charger, that's why. So right here, and then this spot is for me to put the little magnet thing right there. And then once I'm done, cover it, and then I have them together. And then once I'm ready, I just grab them and I set up and I start recording. And simple as that. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give me a like, leave me a comment down below. I always respond to the comments, because that's how I get to interact with you guys. Share the video with a friend or 2 or 3, and subscribe, turn on your post notification, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye bye.
Good vibes only, this just beginning. Hit that like, hit that sub, join the wave. Let's turn it up, yeah.